Hey everyone! Today we're diving into two super useful Photoshop skills every creative person should know: how to add custom fonts to Photoshop and how to remove watermarks cleanly and professionally. Let's jump right in. Ever found the perfect font online but had no clue how to get it into Photoshop? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Go to a font website like dafont.com, for example. Then download the font zip file. Then extract it. Then hit install. Then restart Photoshop, and voila, the font appears in your list. That's it. Now you can use your new font on text layers just like any default font. Alright, now that we've got some stylish fonts, let's talk about removing watermarks. I have a free copyright image with a watermark attached to it. Select the watermark with the lasso tool, then go to Edit and then Content Aware Fill. Then Photoshop will generate a preview, and click OK. Then clean up any edges with the Clone Stamp tool. There is also a second method to this. Select the Clone Stamp tool, then Alt-click to sample nearby pixels, then carefully paint over the watermark. Be patient and zoom in for precision. If you have a simple background, like a solid colored background or a gradient background, this method works like magic. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to add custom fonts and remove unwanted watermarks in Photoshop, all in just a few steps. Like this video, drop a comment with your next Photoshop question, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative tips. See you next time.